From the moment you see this attractive Cottonwood floor plan from First Texas Homes, you will fall in love. This 3,540 square foot, 2-story home features a brick and custom stone exterior that provides amazing curb appeal. The 4-bedroom, 3 1/2 bath Cottonwood floor plan opens up to a formal living and formal dining room that's ideal for celebrating special occasions with friends and family. Just past the dining area, you'll find a dream kitchen that is well equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances including built-in stainless steel double ovens, a microwave, and flat surface stove. There is also a center island that is perfect for prepping the perfect meal. Right off the kitchen, there is a nook that's perfect for a quick dinner with the family. As you make your way through the home, you'll find a spacious family room complete with a custom stone fireplace. This open layout provides plenty of space for spending time with your family. You'll be amazed by the spacious master bedroom with a tray ceiling. Prepare to relax in the spa-quality master bath with custom tile and dual vanities, a walk-in shower, and a relaxing garden tub. As you make your way upstairs, you'll find a huge game room perfect for playing games or a round of pool. There are also 3 additional secondary bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms. You will love relaxing outdoors under the oversized covered patio, perfect for backyard barbecues and enjoying the great outdoors. Call or visit First Texas Homes today to find out more about building the Cottonwood floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.